Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwashiburo, be known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. This very morning I have come with nothing but the undiluted truth in order to disseminate the devil. My good people of Biafra, there are a lot to talk about concerning the land of Biafra and the protest that people are protesting. I do not want any loss of life, and we have to talk about it this very morning. Our leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will pray for us. After then, when we come back, we enter into the main program. Please stay tuned.
Ezi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ m ihe niile, Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya, onye ọbụla ya na-achị, onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi, onye ọbụla ya bụ ọkaka. Ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etuga eze ebube dị ngọzi, mmalite na ọgwụgwụ, ndị gboo wee tụọ oge ebighị ebi. Onye nwe m, ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ na nke ebere dị ngọzi. Anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla nke anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ. Ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ, maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịrị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi, n'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu. Ọbịa nwere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị. Anyị wee na-akpọkụ uwe na-arịọ gị na-asị, lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi. Onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe, biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt gotu ọgbe gbezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra mgbe ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ kara. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị, wee nye gị nsọpụrụ ụtọ na ịja mma mgbe niile, n'ihi na anyị enweghị chi ọzọ ebezuga gị. Anyị onwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị. Ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọmụkwụ anyị niile. Ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile. Anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ. Anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi, sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka. Ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị na-efe nwa bụ isi ala nye, ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu. Anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ịja mma, na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasisi wee baa ha ọnụ, ha wee daa hapụ ịkụnye ọzọ. Obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala nwekwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi. Anyị onwe anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkọ ha nsọ gị, na-asị na emeghị chi ọzọ egwezuga gị. Anyị wee na-aja gị mma, wee na-eto gị, na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere eke mana nwee onye kere na n'otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị ebi, mara onye ka a na-arịọ gị. Ise.
You are welcome back. In the past how many days? Since Monday, Soludo have caused havoc in Anambra State. I don't know if Soludo planned this with the criminals and DOS, because this is how they offer our people to be paid. It was under DOS we are there when our leader said we are no longer going to protest empty-handed anymore. Each time that we want to protest, Eastern Security Network will be there to guide and protect our own people. In case if there is any fire, they will put the fire back. Why did he make such utterance? If you have not participated in any of these protests, you may not understand. If you have not been there, human being fall under the bullet of under the power of bullets, you may not understand. If you have not been there, seen the impunity, how Nigerian state heartlessly buy innocent civilians, you may not understand. I myself was opportune to be in a Kempo. I was among the protesters in a Kempo. The things that you watch in video that was uploaded to you, what happened on the ground was more than that. How they the massacred people, how they fire shot anyhow sporadically on armless and defenseless people. Who was the governor then? It was Governor Willie Obiano, the governor of Obiakpo of Anambra State. He allowed the Nigerian army to massacre people. Not that he allowed the Nigerian army, you know, they don't have a say All those people that you see as a governor are puppets. The person controlling their state are Satan of Sokoto. That is the reason why before you elect any governor within your land, they move to Sokoto to bow. It was such an evil enclave, such a demonic enclave. But we do nothing. We consistently preach nothing but the undiluted truth on this very platform, please. Now, people fought at Ekempo. I'm not talking about Iguacha because I'm not there. I was not there. I'm not talking about Aba High School, which have almost 500 people killed, but Amnesty International recorded 150. I am not there. I'm not talking about other places. I am talking about where I witnessed our own people were killed. It was such a bloody day. A Catholic Reverend Father that we met on the day of the protest, we held him, denied. Oh, he was there to advise the young youth who are misguided. That is my problem with all this Catholicism. If you still listen to some of these Reverend Fathers, you will meet yourself in hell, including those doing adoration. Read my lips, including those doing adoration. I know some of them doing adoration that na taravu umaze, because I was born deep in Catholicism. My mom was the CWO leader of the Catholic St. Charles Lwanga. You know, it's a very decent big church. My mom was the leader. How many times she led them? I was, my dear sister, Nkechi, was a prophetess. Those people that see things, prophesy. Where she does her ministry was with Brother Joachim in St. Jude. A lot of them that went out and become pastor now, some of them that I know, started from there. I could remember a sister, not a reverend sister, a sister that was in the ministry. Father Anataya. Father Father clean Ataya. At the end of the day, the same father helped the sister to open a church outside Catholic Church. And today, that sister is a prophetess. I don't want to talk about, sometimes when I see her on social media, I just laugh my eyeballs out. Where she is doing holy, with the preaching, with her sion. But that is not my main preaching. A Reverend Father denied us, saying that he was there to advise the unguided youth or misguided youths, even as people die. He denied us. I am Onyebuchinwa Ashiburobi. The only thing I will preach to you is nothing but the undiluted truth. Then, the anger rage. It calls for urgent action. Eastern Security Network was the brainchild to protect those who are being killed, to protect those who are being subjugated. Out of nothing, Eastern Security Network was created to help our own people and became a brainchild. On the day of proclamation of Eastern Security Network, Mazen Namdekano says something. Any day we are going to protest, Eastern Security will be there to guide and protect. In case if there is any fire, they will return the fire back. You can no longer kill us and we keep quiet. So it was just defensive, not offensive. Just there to stop the impunity of the Nigerian state, not to cause mayhem and havoc. Today, the criminals who told you that it is good for Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to be in DSS dungeon, who told you that you can, if anyone is telling you that you cannot get Biafra with your politicians, that person is lying. And as a matter of fact, we need to go back to Nigerian politics and open a politics in order to participate in our politics. Politics, it was the criminals in DOS that campaigned for Chukwuma Soludo. They were everywhere saying they need to put somebody that have a Biafra spirit in order to defend them. Is it not Chukwuma Soludo, the Biafra spirit of the DOS? He is the same person. Immediately he won, he said that he have granted amnesty to the DOS. He was the first governor to accept that IPOB are criminals. The first governor. When he used this term, he have granted amnesty to them, and they have promised that they are no longer going to participate in criminal activities, which means IPOB members are criminals. He was the first governor to say that we are criminals instead of freedom fighters. I don't know if you are getting me. Don't misquote me. I am heading somewhere and I am saying something. We all need to pay attention. It is for the betterment of Ndi Igbo. It is for the betterment of Umu Biafra. It is for my own betterment and it is for your own betterment. Ali Igbo dim mata to diara monage. Ali Igbo jonjo ojoro monage. And for us, for me, it is the betterment of Ali Igbo, which is the best thing for me. Are you getting me? I don't know if you are understanding me, but we have to move on this very particular program, please. Now, after Chukwuma Soludo closed our people's shop, the people started protesting. It is willingly that the Igbo people at large have converged and said we will pay loyalty to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu every Monday as a mark of his detention, which Chukwuma Soludo used and campaign that immediately they elect him as governor, he will go and free Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. He will tell them that let them release him under his care. That was his campaign promise. And he became a governor. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention till today. He did not go there and say free him anymore. In fact, to Charles Chukwuma Soludo, it is jail Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Because the same Mazen Nnamdi Kanu that he never shy away from campaigning with, he became a governor. And they are asked him, what will you do to free Mazen Nnamdi Kanu? He said, that is not his main problem. His problem is election. That was his answer. But this man, during the election, he knew that his problem is election. When he have not become governor, during the election, he was everywhere. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, I'm going to free him. He did not remember that his problem is election. But when he became governor, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu ceases to become his problem. His problem became election. This is confusion at the highest order. And look, let me tell you people, the reason that they are image cleansing the DOS, me and you, they here, and we saw the evil, how they soiled their hands in the blood of our own people, how they campaigned against Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and said, let Mazen Nnamdi Kanu be in DSS, which the lawyers condemned. They said, oh, it is good for him to be there. It will give them security and make our people in DSS that the DSS are not taking care of, for DSS to take care of them. That is a such reason of alcohol, such reason of such reason of hopeless people. These are the reasons that they gave some of you. And they said that they were doing something big. They threatened Nigerian government, if you do not release him, this and that, we will do this. Until today, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is in detention. They left to start defending the governors. They said, oh, governors did not do anything. The governors are working tirelessly. In fact, they arranged concocted nonsense and said it was Mazen Nnamdi Kanu that gave it. They gave it to our lawyer, Jimako, which said, do not campaign against the governors. Do not say bad thing against the governors. Defend the governors. We cease from being persecuted by the same governors to become defenders of the same governors. It was under the governors that our own people were killed. In Enugu, in Ebonyi, in Anambra, in Imo State, in Abia State, in Delta, in Iguacha, it was under the governors. But they told you that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu have said, do not insult them, defend them. Something is evil and something is fishy. Now our own people are on the street protesting. Nigeria as a hopeless nation and as a brutal entity is looking for something in order to nail these very people, in order to go after them. They need to hold something and say, it is because of this reason that we are going after these very people. I have seen Oge Nkere saying, what is happening in Anambra State is as a result of action of a man called Soludo. My people, do not leave the street. It was a very confusing address. I don't know if the board, I don't even know if Elias saw the address before he okayed the address, because Elias now is one of their leader. I don't know if he saw the address before he okayed the address. That address did not speak on what the reason people are protesting. It doesn't even acknowledge Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, his pens. It doesn't acknowledge that they chained Mazen Nnamdi Kanu against his will, forced him to bring him to Nigeria against his will, tried him under non-existing law against his will, and then jail him. It doesn't. Then they jump from Chukwuma Soludo to don't leave the street. Don't leave the street. Okay. I have heard that One of America, Madam without a doctor, Ngozi Oragbueze, brought online commanders, more online commanders. Commander Mpermiri, Commander Ezi, Commander Ahode, Commander Anegu Wayo, Odika Hegu, Commander Limbode, Commander Kairi Benda na have Ezi, Commander Kairi Benda na have EU, Commander Ojiasi Emoji, Commander Asiga the one of USB. I heard that they brought all the commanders. Commander Burubu Munnego, in the name of money. I heard that all those commanders were complete. And they brought them to issue a threat. When I tell you people that that one is a clone, you people, if you believe in her till thy kingdom come, nothing is going to come out from her. Commanders, you have never seen Mazi Simon Ekpa bring any commander to issue a threat. You have never seen Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bring any commander to issue a threat. Commanders will do their thing from their quarter, and you see them. You have not even seen any commander of USB. They will say, hey, the zoo is waiting for you to show so that they will buy our own people. Why don't they cover face and show their quarter? The only time that they will show is people that doesn't even know how to do left right, people that are cultists, that doesn't even know code, military code of conduct, people that doesn't know anything. For instance, nke ha show buru nke ha say heavy duty artillery. A show her. We are here, Mazi Simon Ekpe. See you, see ya. Holy Mountain, 1, Holy Mountain 2, Holy Mountain. Just these are the things making mockery of this very struggle. Yanna kona ihe commander sa patara koromba. See you, see ya. Holy Mountain 1, Holy Mountain 2, Simon Ekpe. Ọ dị nnọọ ka ajọsụrụ gaa na York chịkọrọ ụmụ enwe isi enwe ọdụ nọ na York, the last remaining ndị a na-eme ha ṅụcha mkpụrụ mmiri ha akwụrụ wụọ. Ọ dị nnọọ ka gara aga chịkọrọ ha pụta na-akọ afọmụzie ihe ndị ara in Biafra struggle. A sị na ọ na-elid ndị ara or imepụtakwu ndị ara na omume. You can never see them go against Nigeria. All these things that you see are pre-planned. I have seen, and I have told you, this is going to 2 years. Not even a single one of them have army to stand against Nigeria. But they will be on social media. Their army is always social media army. Talking rubbish. Social media army, which will stop very soon. Because before me and you are the surprise, Mazi Simon Ekpa will be back. I'm letting you to know. He will be back and it will shock all these 419ers. All those people. Say, if Mazi Simon Ekpa come out, I am going with Ngozi Oragbueze. It will shock them. And if you leave Ngozi Oragbueze, shame will be upon you. It will shock all of them. Mazi Simon Ekpa will be here. To the glory of God and to the disgrace of the evil ones, the evil doers. We are here, moving forward ever, backward never. This is agitation for total restoration of Biafra, and we'll be here. Now, our own people are protesting. Common a standard address, none of them have given. Oh, ipotako ihe na agbaka J5, ipotako ihe dịka eyereji eghe. That's the only thing they care about. Onye may appear on his or her platform. Okoro Mubai on a progina aja. But all this nonsense will end. I'm letting you to know it will end. Freedom is the last that will come. And it will come not because of any other thing, but because our own people have chosen freedom. Our people are on the streets. Now they have influence. Oh, Biafra, this, Biafra. They have sent their umumugus to go and make a video. We are Biafra to give Nigerian state more. If they can go to Kenya and kidnap Mazen Namdekano, if they can kill people in a Kempo, if they can do undo. Is it on the street that you want Biafra? If you want Biafra, you know what we can do. You know what we are doing. Don't go there and do Biafra. Yes, Biafra. When they will shoot those people, you will not be there. There is something that we have chosen in order to do. Not to be there to shout Biafra. There is something that we have chosen. And if you are not sponsoring or supporting those things, you are wasting your own time. There is something that we have chosen to do. There are people that the heaven have given to us in order to stand and see to this day. But your backstabbing, your prosecution against these people is making it difficult for these very people to operate. Our own people choose to fight to restore Biafra. We don't want to offer our children on the street on any street anymore to be killed. We don't want them to be murdered anymore. We don't want them to be killed anymore. It is Biafra that our own people have chosen. Not to deceive our own people. Unchikota, umachikota ekwono, ha ga na social media. I am commander na Prujina Aja. I am commander Ranwunye mmadụ. I am commander Ochunwani. I am commander nwere commander nke unu na-akpọ commander eze amụrụ n'obi bụ commander ịnakọrọ ụmụ nwaanyị nọmba na group. Ịbụrụ nwaanyị kwuo okwu na group, kpam eze amụrụ n'obi bịa na your bịa na your inbox. Nne ada ka ị mere. Ọmụnwa bụ the creator of the group. Ọmụnwa bụ onye chọpụtara that group. Ada ịdịkwanụ mma, aga m alụ gị. Ọ ihe unu na-eme organize. Commander Araka, Commander Rama, Commander Rara, Commander Ra, the same thing. Attack to Islam. Ra, 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 ra. Lacking self-control. You people want to infuse that in this very freedom. But we have said no to some of you. My good people of Biafra, is it not this time that they used to be on the street telling, oh, we will not agree for security reason? Is it not good for them to go inside their houses and then declare another seat at home? Since Soludo said that he is prepared for 1 month, you give Soludo 6 months ahead. You declare first week total lockdown in any Biafra, since what is happening in Anambra State has affected every other state. You declare sit at home. Let everybody be at his house. Let us see Ndami that you go to people's house and drag them out. Let them continue selling all the market in Alibo. And let us know who is this thing. Soludo said he will use bulldozer to bulldozer people's shop. No problem. Let him do it. And let us see. And for us, if these other people are serious, but they are jokers, social media ranters, if they are serious, for us, sit at home. If it were under Mazen Namdekano, he did this very thing. Sit at home. Then we record the names of the people at bulldozer shop. We will reinstate that shop. We will reinstate your business, but go and sit at home. Honor, sit at home. Do not go anywhere. Sit at your house. Don't go anywhere. Why don't our own people do this? since they said, oh, we are prepared. Sit at home. When they destroy your shop, release the name. Biafra and start the money. If you declare fundraising now, they can even fundraise the money that will restore many, about 1,000 shops. So we record about 3,000 shops ahead and do fundraising for it. But none of them are sincere. The fundraising that they are doing to give to men on the ground. Have you seen any men on the ground anywhere? They said, oh, these ones are criminal. They have raised their own. They started with BLA. Oh, we have created our own BLA. These ones are criminals. We have quashed them. From there, they moved to heavy-duty artillery. From heavy-duty artillery, they moved to KZ Behanona. KZ here. Squad again, one squad. These very people are just mocking this very freedom. They are just mocking the freedom. None of them is sincere to pursue this very freedom. None of them. Ihe ya na akọrọ gị bụ ihe na-agba ka J5. Onwe ebe ndị ọcha kwara ụkwara, ha sị na ọha nwa dịka nshi anụ nnọọ na a na-asịzi, oh, Oge Nkere mere nke a, o jere America. Taa unu come on shinu nshishi ebe a pụọ. Unu ọmụ ego ole ebufuru under Mazi Simon Ekpa in lobbying or in doing all those lobbying under Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still do his own till today. All those people around around Mazi Donald Trump was people around Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They were people speaking to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They were people that knew the incarceration of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They were people saying that he is now another Nelson Mandela. And you people are looking elsewhere. Monkey they walk, baboon they chop. I'm not denying the fact that Oge Nkere did not go to do lobby. But he was sent by Master Simon Ekpa. All of these things we have shown before you. How he was sent, how it was under Master, he tweets it every time. Now, a messenger have a prime minister. And you tell me that the person is working for Biafra. Mazi Simon Ekpa is living. He wants to unseat him. Today, what is happening to Mazi Simon Ekpa? Mazi Simon Ekpa is in jail. None of them knew what is passing. Ngozi Pataya say, he's our prime minister. I am her surrogate. I'm a surrogate. I'm imegate. Nka Pata say, I am now the Nka Sabunayob acting. Mazi Simon Ekpa, my boss. Mazi Simon Ekpa, my Fedeco. Mazi Simon Ekpa, my Marwa. Today, Osinayob prime minister. Confusion everywhere. There are only one people which they made a hell lot of mistake, which made me to distance myself. But they have a lot of respectable people among them. But there are few who are power intoxicated. They have a lot of respectable people. They are still doing everything humanly possible to see that Mazi Simon Ekpa is released. But all of these disgruntled individuals are here talking rubbish, absolutely rubbish. And let me tell them, with or without you, your own deceit, your own character assassination, your own manipulation for monetary gain, Biafra will come, because Elohim have ordained it. And from me from here, from the temple of the great sea, it is good morning, please.